In this video guys, we're going to go through the best merch by Amazon niches that are doing really well right now, so make sure you follow with me from the start till the end to capitalize on these niches and hopefully crush it as well. So guys, let's have a look at what's selling well right now on merch by Amazon. For this, I'm going to use this website called Podly, and it's the website that I'm currently using. I'm going to go to their module, Podly Search, and then I'm going to play around with these filters. What I typically do guys is I select the dates published and I try and look only in the last 2 weeks so that I can see what's trending right now. I leave it as published after and select June the 19th and then click on set date. The next filter I'm going to play around with is the BSR range, so I'll make it from 0 to 200,000 like so, and then I'll leave everything else the same, then click on search. Now we can see what's trending right now guys. This is the first one that pops up, and as you can see, it's got a BSR of 13,418 and it's gone down from a BSR of 24,000 to now 13,418, which is not bad. Let's have a look at what's going on in this niche right now. Check the keywords. We can do a few things. We can check similar designs as well. Now I'm interested in getting this title right here and then plugging it into the on-site search on Podly, because I want to see what the competition is on Amazon, right? I want to see how many results this would give me, as well as the BSR, what it's like on the first page in many products. As I've put this title right here, Podly generates a few long tail keywords. You can select any of them or just simply click on search. This will take us straight into the Amazon.com website, and it tells us how many results there are in this niche, as well as what's the BSR saying on this niche right here. Right off the bat, I can see that the niche is not very saturated, but it's got 2,000 people. The BSR is looking good, 14k, 51k, 86, and so on and so forth. And as we scroll down, still looking healthy, still looking good. Now we just got to think about what to design for, right? And at the same time, we have to look at the sub niches that we can capitalize on. So there's Vote We're Ruthless, but also there's Ruth Sent Me, but it's not a very low BSR. Look, they've incorporated the messy bun theme into this quote, and this is what you got to do guys. You have to use the themes that are working really well right now, coupled with the niche that has just popped up, and that's your secret sauce to success guys. I'm telling you, and it's up to you and your imagination. Do you want to do it in this theme? Do you want to do it in this theme, vintage theme, that kind of thing? Overall, what I would say about this niche, this is a hot niche right now, but you have to be very careful that you don't do the exact same thing that everybody else is doing. Try and innovate a little bit. If you really can't think of something completely brand new, you can mix a niche or a concept that is working really well right now with the niche of Vote We're Ruthless. A perfect example for this is this right here, the messy bun example. As you can see, most of these quotes are written in white against a black background, right? Black t-shirt. How about you do the writing with black and you use the gray colors, silver, and all of that? That would make you stand out a little bit more, because as you can see, most of the colors are white writing against black background, and I know for a fact that gray color with black writing works so well as well, especially with the quotes with text-based designs. So you could try that. Now let's check another niche guys. There's this niche, Star Stripes and Reproductive Rights. We know this is on the topic of abortion. It's up to you if you want to work on it or not. Can Amazon take down your design if you get into this niche? I don't think so, because it's not against the rules. Yeah, you could think of it as a human tragedy, but then again, it's not actually a human tragedy. It's not like war or earthquake or shooting or something like that. You could think of it as a movement, a protest. And usually Amazon doesn't take down stuff due to protests and that kind of thing, or politics. By the way guys, the trend is not very hot right now. It's starting to go down, and as you can see, at its peak it was yesterday, and then it started going up. Yesterday the BSR of this t-shirt was 8,628, and today, the 3rd of July, at the time of filming this video, it basically more than doubled. So not many people are buying this t-shirt. There's 442 results. I'm sure there's more when we go to page 3. BSR is really low right now. I mean, you could try and get into it. Maybe it's just that particular t-shirt. I'm not sure if it's all the t-shirts. I mean, there is a way that we could check. We could go to product search and go to search term and type Star Stripes reproductive rights, and then click on search, and then just eyeball it and see if the BSR of all of the designs are going up, or is it just the case of that one. This is in the same niche. Oh, it's going down. Same niche, it's going up. It's a mixture really. So I would say the trend is not really still hot like it was a few days ago. Yeah, this one is going up as well. So I would say the trend is dying, guys. Have a look at this one too. Okay, this one is maintaining its position. How about this one? Yeah, this one is going up. I would say the trend is dying, guys. Now let's try a different one. Yeah, all these are within the same niche, guys. Abortion. Okay, let's have a look at this one. iDescent. Okay, BSR has gone down and then starting to climb up. Let's have a look at the actual results on Amazon plus what the BSR is saying. Plug it into the on-site search of Podly. Click on search, it takes us to Amazon. Right, there's 111 results, guys. The BSR is good. Yeah, just make sure that you check if there's an issue with copyright. I don't think so. I'm not sure what the background behind this quote, but it's something to do with maybe something she said or something like that. Got to do your own research. Okay, let's type it in here just in Google and see what it comes up with. Yeah, so it's probably just a quote from Ruth Bader Ginsburg, and then there's a book as well. It looks like a book title. I'm not sure, to be honest. Yeah, this one is a bit of a gray area, guys. If you like to take risks, you might take a stab at it. If you want to stay safe, just ignore it and find another niche. There's many that are doing it again. Okay, let's have a look at this one. Feminism is killing it right now, guys. This niche is really hot. Let's have a look at this one. Plug it into the on-site search, because we always want to check out what the competition is on Amazon. It's very important. There's 300 results. Always go to page number 3, because that gives you all the results that are available on Amazon, because sometimes Amazon doesn't show you all the results on when you're on page number 1. Okay, the BSI is looking good as well. Look at this, guys. BSI is looking good, and now it's just a matter of coming up with a concept that works really well and trying to do something better. I mean, this design is not very good. This design is not bad, but I would say that the font doesn't work with this kind of design. I think it works with something that is more soft, something like this. Yeah, this design would work, but with the veneer, I don't think it works. Yeah, this is veneer. Veneer is the font, by the way, guys. Yeah, now it's just a question of getting into this niche with something that you think is gonna do well, something that is more innovative. Get an idea from a trend that has worked in the past, like we saw earlier, messy bun. Pay attention to detail, what's selling in other trends, and try and import that idea into this niche as well. This is how the big sellers do it, guys. This is how we do it. We've got other tricks in our sleeves, but one of the things that we do is that I've just shared with you guys. Let's have a look at this one. Donkeypox. Donkeypox, the disease destroying America. 551 results. BSR looking good. Again, it's just a question of figuring out what the best design example that you're going to try and perfect or do better than. Try and be innovative. And this guy is doing something different, right? He brought a picture of a donkey that looks a little bit more realistic compared to these, right? So instantly he's added a bit more value. I don't know where he got it from, but as long as it's copyright free, that's all that matters. See, this guy is different from the rest. And that's what I mean. Try and use something that is a bit more unique, a bit more different than the rest of the designs. That way you stand out. Let's have a look at this one. Abort the courts. Come on, guys. It's all about abortion these days. I'm sure there's more results, guys. So you always have to look at page number 3. So if we go to page 3, we'll find more results. Check this out. See, 1,000 results. But then again, they're not very relevant, right? So that's why Amazon tries to omit those results, because they're not very relevant. So sometimes you got to play it by ear. As you get to page number 2 or 3, you'll start getting less relevant results, unless the niche is very big. BSI is looking good, guys. Whenever you see BSR below 100k all around first page, you know, anything below 300k, right, in the first page, and this niche satisfies this condition, most of the results are kind of below 300k. And as we start going down the page, you start getting mixed results, but obviously nowhere near the million. As we start getting to the million, well, this one is a million BSR, but it's an anomaly, right? It's an outlier. Visually, the BSR is looking good to me. Again, try and get in with different concepts, try and do something better. It's crazy that these very simple designs that you can create in 2 minutes are selling really well. Look at that. This is very simple, guys. It's just text, no effects, absolutely nothing. Even the placement is not in a good place, right? It's above the chest. It should be right here. It should be by the chest area, right? Gotta have that proportion. It's too high. Like, to me, it looks too high. And it has absolutely no layout, just a block of text. And weirdly enough, people are buying it. But yeah, guys, like, just keep looking, keep checking what's working really well, and as long as it's within the last 2 weeks, this gives you an idea that, hey, these things are trending. Go into Amazon, try and dig deeper, try and see what concepts you can bring into the niche, and absolutely crush it, guys. I wish I can go through everything, but obviously I can't. The main thing is, guys, we've identified that the niches that are working really well right now are around the abortion topic. So dig deeper, try and get in with a concept that is very on demand. Try and be a bit more unique, bring in your own elements, bit of your own personality, your own style. You have to infuse your style, very important. That way it looks a little bit more unique. And there's no way you wouldn't make sales, guys. This is pretty funny. That I would call unique. This is the tool that I'm currently using, guys. I find myself using it more and more. If you guys would like 25% discount, I'm gonna leave you a link down below in the description, as well as the coupon code, to make sure you check it out if you're interested. And if you guys need a Merch by Amazon account, or you know someone who needs one, I'm gonna leave you a link down below in the description. You'll get it within 24 hours of purchase. I'll also leave you below a crash course for Merch by Amazon, along with 200 plus profitable print-on-demand niches, a link to check out my full Ultimate Merch by Amazon course that's helped hundreds of people crush Merch by Amazon. And if you guys don't have time to do niche research, I'm going to leave you a link for my niche research service. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment down below, hit the notification bell button so that you guys can get the videos as soon as I upload them, and I'll see you in the next video.